Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into 10 facts about Arduino, but hold up. This isn't your typical Wikipedia read-along video. We're going to talk about these facts like real people, throw in a little philosophy, maybe even a personal rant or two. So, yeah, let's have some fun with it. On fact number 1, Arduino was literally born in a bar. No joke. Back in 2005, a group of legends in Italy were sitting in a bar called Bar di Re Arduino, and they started brainstorming what would become one of the most influential platforms in DIY tech. And honestly, I love that. Like, imagine that. A revolution in tech started with a drink in hand. That's the soul of Arduino right there. It's not about fancy labs or billion-dollar companies. It's about real people with real ideas in real places. It's raw creativity. Fact 2. It's named after that bar. Yeah, Bar di Re Arduino, which itself was named after some old Italian king. So technically, your little blinking LED project is carrying royal blood. But I think that's beautiful, man. Like, we always think of kings as these dudes on thrones with crowns and armies. And now the name lives on in a $5 microcontroller that helps kids build robots in their bedrooms. That's power redefined. Fact 3. Arduino is completely open source. And that's huge. Like, they didn't just say, here's our product. They said, here's how it works. Here's the code. Here's the blueprint. Take it, build on it, improve it, break it, learn from it. It's this whole vibe of collaboration over competition, you know? When you open up your tools to the world, you're saying, we rise together. That's how revolutions are born. That fact 4. It was originally made for art students. That kind of blew my mind when I found out. It wasn't made for engineers. It wasn't made for programmers. It was for design students, people with zero tech background who just wanted to make interactive stuff. And you know what that tells me? Tech doesn't have to be intimidating. If you make it welcoming, people get creative. They start experimenting. They stop being afraid to fail. That's how the coolest projects happen, by accidentally succeeding. Fact 5. Most Arduinos use a chip called the ATmeg A328P. Now yeah, that's a bit of a technical one, but hear me out. That tiny chip, it's the brain behind millions of projects. It doesn't have flashy specs or RGB or any of that nonsense. It's just solid, reliable. And I love that metaphor. Like, you don't need to be flashy to be powerful. You don't have to scream to be heard. You just need to work, quietly, consistently, and with purpose. Fact 6. People have used Arduino for literally everything. We're talking automated plant watering, wearable tech, drones, 3D printers, satellites, haunted house props, like anything. That's the magic of it. Arduino is kind of like Lego for electronics. There's no right way to use it. You just build stuff. Sometimes it works, sometimes it fries. But either way, you learn. Fact 7. There are over 30 official Arduino boards and a ton of clones. You got the Uno, the Nano, the Mega, the MKR, the Do, and don't even get me started on all the random off-brand ones from AliExpress that still somehow get the job done. Point is, there's a board for everyone. Whether you're making a tiny sensor node or a massive robot with 12 wheels and a flamethrower, okay, maybe not the flamethrower part, but yeah, Arduino's got you. Fact 8. Arduino helped kickstart the maker movement. This is big. Like before Arduino, building electronics was kind of this elite thing. You needed expensive gear, deep knowledge, and honestly, it was intimidating. But Arduino flipped that. It handed you the tools and said, go. Make something. Doesn't matter if it's messy, just start. And now, we've got kids building robots in their bedrooms. We've got retirees automating their garden sprinklers. Everybody's building. Fact 9. The Arduino IDE is stupidly simple. I'm serious. Like, you open it up, type a couple of lines, press a button, and bam, LED blinks. That first blink, that's the gateway drug. After that, you're in. You start asking questions. What else can I make blink? What if I add a sensor? What if I control a motor? Next thing you know, you're deep into a project at 2 a.m., wondering why your robot keeps crashing into walls. That's the beauty of it. And finally, fact 10. Arduino is still evolving. Like we've got Wi-Fi boards now, Bluetooth, IoT support, Python compatibility. People are using it with AI, machine learning. Arduino's not stuck in the past. It's growing with the future. It's kind of like that one friend who's always learning something new. The one who's never satisfied, never done. Arduino's that friend, and I respect the hell out of that. So yeah, thanks for hanging out today. Hit that like button if you've ever lost a full hour to a bug that turned out to be a missing semicolon. Subscribe if you've got at least one half-finished project collecting dust. And as always, keep building cool stuff. The world needs more makers like you.